Now that we've spent all that time factoring and we've got the left side of the equation factored, now it's time for us to actually deal with the fact that this is an equation, and we've got to do our last step, which is to solve. So remember that we're solving them for equal to 0. So what we have to do for our last step is we have to find the zeros. And remember, the way that we do that is we set up two equations. We need to figure out what value for x would make that binomial equal to 0, and also what would make that binomial equal to 0. So we have to set up two equations. We have to do x plus 1 is equal to 0, which means we would subtract 1 from each side. So one solution would be x is equal to -1. Then we would have to solve the other equation, 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Subtract 3 from both sides. That is going to leave us with a -3 over here, 2x. And then last but not least, we need to finish isolating the x, and we're going to do that by dividing both sides by 2. So my final solution, because remember we like to leave them as fractions, one solution is -3 over 2, and one solution is 1/2. So our final two solutions, first of all, there's those braces I can't draw, is going to be -3 over 2 and then -1. So those are our two solutions.